according to the course that I did take, my propose is go to take to the company to the next level. Um, what can we do that? We need to train all the seniors engineers and in that manual uh, and train all the production supervisors and apply in many little projects or many projects this manual uh, to improve this all the projects. Um, this training takes 4 days. The cost will be almost $1,000, and we need to prepare the materials for the training.
Okay, do you have the proposal in a written way? In paper? Do you have it?
Yeah, please take a look at that.
Okay, thank you.
What do you think about it?
Well, it's a good proposal, but I don't know. Who is going to train the people?
Me.
You?
Me and
Are you ready to prepare them? Do you have enough experience to prepare them about black belt certification? Are you a black belt certificator?
yes, I will. I took the course and certificate.
Are you a lawyer?
Yeah.